In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Namecheap Webmail. This process is straightforward but crucial for efficiently managing your emails hosted with Namecheap. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head over to the Namecheap website by typing namecheap.com into the address bar. Once you're there, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the homepage layout. This will make navigation easier as we move forward. Next, locate the login area, typically found in the upper right corner. Using your Namecheap credentials, go ahead and log in. It's important to enter the correct username and password here to avoid any access issues. If you don't remember your password, there's a forgotten password option available that you can use to reset it. Once you're logged in, cast your eyes towards the upper left corner of your screen. You should see your username displayed next to the Contact Us button. Click on your username to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Dashboard. This is where you'll find a comprehensive list of your domains and services associated with your Namecheap account. Now from the menu on the left side, click on Domain List. This section will display all the domains you manage. Here you'll need to identify the domain associated with your private email subscription. If you have multiple domains, you might need to scroll through the list or use a search function to find the right one. Upon locating the desired domain, you'll notice a caret symbol. Clicking on it will expand a list of associated services. Ensure that all products is selected at the top right corner to see everything available. Here you will find the option to log into Webmail. Clicking this link will direct you to the login page of your Webmail account. Alternatively, you can also access your Webmail by going to the private email menu located on the left side. Once there, hit Manage next to the subscription you need to access. Expand the options within the Mailbox menu and click on Open Webmail. You'll then arrive at the private email login page. At this stage, you should enter your full email address as your username and the corresponding password. There's an option labeled Keep Me Signed In that you can enable if you wish for easier access in future sessions. It's worth noting that if the private email tab is already open in your browser, you won't be logged out even if you haven't enabled the Keep Me Signed In option. And there you have it, a detailed guide to accessing Namecheap Webmail. If you follow these steps, you'll be managing your emails in no time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave any questions you have in the comments below.